Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to block someone on TikTok. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open the TikTok app on your phone. Log into your any TikTok account if you haven't already. Now find the profile of the person you want to block. You can do this by tapping the search icon and enter the username of the person. Or you can go to your profile, tap followers, and look for the person you want to block. Or simply scroll down on your feed and look for the person you want to block. Then go to that person's profile. Tap the three dots from the top right corner. A menu will appear. Tap on Block. To finish, tap Confirm. After being blocked, they won't be able to interact with you on TikTok, and you won't be able to see their videos either. So in this way, you can block someone on TikTok. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.